Hey guys, today we are going to study pointers. So if you don't know pointers or have any doubt in pointers, I will recommend you to watch this video till end, and I can guarantee you that you will have a better understanding of pointer if you watch this video full. So let's get started. So first of all, we will see what is a pointer. Pointer is just a variable which stores address of another variable. What does it mean? Suppose you have a variable of data type integer which is having 10. Okay, so what does it represent? Okay, so this is your a and it is having a value 10. It might have an address also. Suppose this is 3000. Okay, now I declare a pointer b which is pointing to a. So what does it mean? This ampersand means that I am taking the address of A and assigning it to B. And because B is a pointer variable, this won't give me any compilation error. Otherwise, I am not allowed to assign someone's address to any variable, because we don't have a data type which can store address. Only pointer has the capability who can store the address of any variable. So in this type, what I am saying is, hey a, give me your address. So this is the address of a. Now if I want the value which is stored at this address, what can I do? I would do this. This would give me 10. Okay, this is called dereferencing. It is called dereferencing operator. Okay, so now the main question is, what does this data type represent? This data type represent the data type of the variable which my pointer is referring to. In this case, my b is pointing to a which is of integer data type. That's why I am having integer data type here. You can have a character pointer also, like if I have char c is equal to this, I can have a character pointer also. This also works. Okay, now the size of pointer. Size of pointer always remain fixed and it is equal to the size of integer. So if I say that size of integer is 4, let's say, so this e is also having 4 bytes. It doesn't matter which data type it is referring to, but because it is a pointer, it would have size of 4 bytes. Okay, so now let's see how does it work with arrays. So in arrays, like you have an integer array 1 2 3 4. Okay, so like you may know that array is stored in a contiguous memory in our main memory. So what does it mean? This is your array and 1 2 3 4 are stored. Okay, so integer, I'm assuming that it takes 4 bytes. So if it has a address of 200, then it would be 204 208 212. Okay, so if I write int star p is equal to a, so this is perfectly correct. In case of array, array name represents the base address of array. Okay, so I don't need to explicitly mark this because it is automatically saying that I am representing my base address, which is 200. Okay, so p is storing 200. So if I want to have the value of the 0th index, okay, what I would do, star p would give me 1. You can also write it as star p plus 0. It would give 1. So what I need to do, if I want the element at first index here, So it is simple. I would just p plus 1. Okay, so this is your base address. Now okay, if I have done plus 1, it would come here. Oh, address of this is 204 and I am dereferencing it, so the element which is stored at address 204 is 2. So in this way it works with array. Okay, so let me take another example which is a uh, very important example and very famous also. Swapping of numbers using pointers, swapping of variables. So we will see how does it work. So if I have a function and I have declared two pointers, okay, star a and star b, and what I am just doing is int t is equal to a is equal to b, and b is equal to t. Okay, so and from main function I am having x is equal to 10, y is equal to 20. Now I am calling function, okay, and then printing x and y. So many of you might have seen this example. So let me show you how does it work. So in this, your x is having 10 and y is having 20. Okay, sorry, this it is written in this way because I have to pass the address of these. Okay, so now when I call this function ampersand x ampersand y, so what actually happens is int star a is assigned to this and int star b is assigned to this. So now a is pointing to x, so that means a is having address of x, suppose 200, b is having address of y, suppose 300. Okay, so here what I am doing is there is a t variable. Okay, now a variable t. Now what I have done, t is equal to, oh sorry, star a and star b. Okay, so t is equal to star a. So star a means the value is stored at the address stored by a, which is 10. So here comes 10. Now star b means a is referring to x, that it should have the value star b, so it would directly change this. Okay, now star b means this is equal to t is having 10, so this 10. So now your x has become 20 and y has become 10. If you print them, it would give 20 and 10. So this is the main principle of pointers. How does it work? Now let me show you another thing, which is double pointer. So how does double pointer work? It is also easy concept like pointer is. So now what your pointer is just storing address of another variable. Okay, so what a double pointer is, double pointer will store the address of pointer. Okay, pointer is storing address of a variable. Now double pointer is a way ahead of simple pointer, so it would contain the address of a pointer. Now let me take example. Your int a is equal to 10. Okay, now suppose it is having address 200. Okay, now your int star b So this is a pointer referring to integer data type. Okay, now my B is having address of A, which is 200. Okay, now I am declaring a double pointer C, which is having the address of B. Now your C will have the address of B. Suppose this is 300, so it would be 300. Okay, so now you would say that what is the significance of this data type? This data type significance is again the data type which your single pointer is referring to is also used here also, okay. So now if you would call star B, you will have 10. Okay, if you call star C means, now just have a look. Star C means value is stored at this address, which is 200. So your star C would give you 200. Let me write it here. Your A was 10. So A is 10, your address was 200, B is 200, 300, and C is your 300. So what I was saying is your A is 10, okay. Star B is the value stored at this address. What is this 10? Okay. Star C value stored at this address. Okay, this is 200. Okay. Star C. So now first it would dereference this. What is the value stored at this address? Okay, 200. Then this. What is the value stored at this address? Okay, this is 10. So it would give you 10. So I think you might have understood the concepts. Let's see how does your pointer work in coding. I mean, I will just have to show you the code part. Okay, so first of all we will see I'm declaring an integer a with value 10. Okay, now a pointer which is pointing to an integer data type, let's name it b, and let's have the address of a. Okay, now your pointer b is pointing to a. Now if I want to see the value of a with the help of pointer, so let's run it. So both the times it is showing 10. So now you can use it in character also, like if I am having a character data type and suppose this is b, character b, I have to change it. Now let's see what happens. So again both the times it is showing b. Okay, so now so let us see how does it work in swapping numbers, which I just showed you on paper. Okay, let's define a function void swap. Okay, now declare pointer a, pointer b, both are referring to integer data types. So what I am doing is int temp, it is just a temporary variable. So first of all I am storing a value of a, then your star a would hold the value of b, star b, and then your star b will be having temp. So in this way this would be swapped. So what I am doing is int a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20. Let's see the before effect and now call our swap function. By the way, this is also called a call by reference strategy, because in this way I'm passing the reference, the address of the variables a and b, not the value. Otherwise, it would have been called call by value. So now let's see what impact did it make. Okay, okay. So let's add some indentation. So now as you can see, first A was 10 and B was 20, so it was printing just 10, 20, and then after calling my swap function, it is showing 20 and 10. So guys, now let's see how does it work with arrays. So first of all, I would declare an array of integer data type. It is having element 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now the integer pointer, let's say PARR, because the name itself is representing the base address of array. Now we will traverse through this for entire 4, because the array has 4 elements. I plus plus C out, so start to dereference P plus I. Okay, so first of all I would be 0, so it would print the element at 0th index, then first index, then second index, then third index. So let me make it 4. Okay, and have some space in between. Now let's see what happens. So it shows. So now let's see how does double pointer work. So double pointer work in this way, like int a is equal to your 20. Okay, now int star b, it is a pointer pointing to integer, that's why I've used integer data type. Let's use ampersand, and now b is pointing to a. Now I will declare a double pointer. Now what is the specialty of double pointer? It can hold the address of a pointer. So ampersand b. Now we will see the different values. First we will see value of a, then value of star b, which is going to be same as that of a, then star c, and star c. So star c would give me the address of b. Okay, and star c would give me 20. So let's see. Oh, I didn't add space in between. Okay, so as you can see, hmm, a was 20, b was pointing to a, that's why star b gave you point 20. Then star c, as I told you that address of b is stored in C. That's why in one dereferencing it would give the address of b, which is this. Then star C means the value is stored at, first of all it would dereference this, means value stored at the address it is storing. So which was the value of b, which was actually the address of a. Then if I again dereference it, then it would give me the value of a. So I hope that this video helped you gain a basic and a good fundamentals for the pointers which are required for solving big problems also. You won't have that much problems if you take the basics of pointer, and whatever the problem is, for start with the basic of pointer, and you will see that problem can be tackled very easily if you start with basics. So if you liked this video, please subscribe my channel, do like this video and share it among your friends so that it can help them too. Thank you.